and find out. Complexity, client would need to track 10 plus service URLs 3. Cross-cutting concerns, auth, rate limiting, logging, done once at the gateway instead of in every service 4. Protocol translation, gateway can accept REST and convert to gRPC internally. Time to test yourself. Halfway challenge. If an interviewer asked you to explain a PI gateway right now, what would you say? Pause and think. Here's the catch. Think about it this way. Most people miss this completely. I watched a candidate explain this perfectly and get a 45 LPA offer at a top product company in Bangalore. Same concept, same interview room, same question. Netflix Zool/Spring Cloud Gateway. Handles billions of requests/day. Amazon a PI gateway. Managed service, scales automatically. Kong. Open source, plugin-based, built on Nginx. Now for the interview insight. If an interviewer asks you what's a PI gateway? Right now, here's your answer based on what we just covered. Flipkart uses this to route every customer request through one entry point, but they won't stop there. They'll dig deeper, and that's exactly what we're about to do. But wait, I know you're tempted to skip ahead. Don't. This is the part that gets asked in interviews. Almost done. How would you explain the trade-offs of a PI gateway in an interview? This separates 15 LPA from 45 LPA answers. A PI gateway is essential in microservices architecture. It handles cross-cutting concerns like authentication, rate limiting, and request routing in one place, instead of duplicating that logic across every service. Real talk, Flipkart's big billion day crashed their servers 3 times before they got this right. Let me show you the code. Here's how this looks in Python. Let me walk you through the API gateway class that implements rate limiting to control request flow. This is how API gateway works under the hood. The key method here is init. First, we import dict optional from the typing module. Now we handle the /products, http//product test operation. Here we define the authenticate function that takes token. At this point, you return false, and that's our answer, clean and efficient. This is where we call self.resolve route and store the result in backend. We print the output to verify it works. Here's the equivalent Java implementation. Let me walk you through the main class that